Guys, this is going to be a very short video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple immunity booster drink or tea, whatever you want to call it. I'm using lemon, I'm using cinnamon sticks, tangerines, because that's what I have. If you have limes, ginger, whatever, garlic, please feel free to add garlic. I do not have garlic. I'm going to thoroughly wash them with salt, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead now to turn my water on so that it boils to 100 degrees centigrade. You see, just like that. Because you are going to need the peel of the lemon also, and the peel of any of the citrus you're using. This is tangerine and then lemon. What I'm just going to do now is to add a little bit of water in here and then use salt to scrub it. This is how much water I have in here. I'm going to add salt. Just go ahead to add enough salt for you to really give this a good scrub. So I've just added like 4 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to use it to like really scrub this very well. Just give it a good scrub, and also scrub this. I'm taking more salt, guys. I'm not scrubbing well because I'm using I'm using my phone to make this video, because I just wanted to make tea for myself and for also others, and then I was like, oh, why don't I show you guys? So that's why I'm using my phone to do it quickly. So we are just going to scrub it. This doesn't take time, and this is something you can do every day. It doesn't take me time. My water is already boiled, and this is something anybody can do. This is something you can do for your family. We have these fruits every day, and even if you don't have it at home, this is a season for citrus. Like if you go to the shops, there are citrus fruits everywhere. Lemon, lime, name them, they are all there. Just make use of them. This is the season that you need to step up your immune system, even if it's not for the winter, cold, flu. And then this, you know, this virus stuff that is going around. There's also a new virus in China, like a newly mutated virus in China, and what they are using to like keep themselves keep their immune system strong is hot water. Like in China right now, they're drinking hot water. When they say hot water, they mean hot vegetable soups, they mean teas of different kinds. They also mentioned tea. So you drink any kind of tea. It mustn't be, don't say, oh, I don't have green tea, I don't have this tea, I don't have that tea. Like you have everything you need at home. We all have everything we need, honestly speaking. And remember that you can use anything to make tea. It mustn't be lemon, it mustn't be this one. Anything you have at home right now, I promise you, you just put hot water in there. If you have some herbs, go ahead. I'm sure that, you know, you would get something out of it. So this is my cup, guys. I'm just going to first of all also give this a thorough wash. You know, there are different kinds of cinnamon sticks. The cinnamon sticks that I buy at Afro shop, I live in Germany, so the cinnamon sticks that I buy at the Afro shops are not like this. So this one I bought at Lidl, but anywhere you are, you could use like any cinnamon stick you see. So just make sure you give it a thorough wash. Apart from cinnamon sticks, you could use any kind of herbs that you have or that is available to you wherever you are. It must not be cinnamon stick, guys, okay? The cinnamon sticks are sitting right there. So the next thing I'm going to do is to slice the lemon and the tangerine. So I'm just going to slice the lemon. Danny, wait. See how thinly I'm slicing the lemons, okay? I'm just going to slice them thinly. Show you. See how thinly I have sliced my lemons. They are quite thin. You could also like cut your own anyhow you like seriously, anyhow. So now I'm cutting the tangerine. This is tangerine, guys. I'm sorry, but I don't know, I just placed my phone somewhere, you guys won't believe it. So here you go. Let's slice this place. I'm not going to use that side because I just want something beautiful in my drink. I'm going to add 3 slices of tangerine. Let me also cut one more for my thumbnail. Okay, look at how beautiful it is. Look at how everything is. Water is boiled. Water is boiled and we are ready to add in the water. Look at that. We're going to stop there and then I add one of this, and I add another. Okay, it's really hot, so you don't have to drink it also when it's this hot. Okay, this will give it all the taste that you want, but in a case where you feel okay, it's not tasty, or I want something tastier, feel free to add some honey. Let me bring honey to also add so you guys can see. Right now I'm going to add honey to this one. I'm going to basically give this one to my kids. Well, look at it, doesn't take you anything. Add as much honey as you want and get your immune system going strong. Get your immune system going strong. It's just simple. Like, this is something simple we could do every day. And let me tell you guys, this is just you adding more vitamin C into your system. This is just you clearing out your lungs. This is just you, you know, boosting that immune system the way we should, especially around this season, especially around this pandemic. This is something you should be taking every day if you can. If you can get it, if you can get yourself to take it 3 times a day, go ahead. Like, nothing stops you from this is so good. I'll give this to my children. Buko, do you want some tea? Chibo, do you want some tea? Okay, so I'm going to give my children this. It's so sweet. With honey, it's so... Yeah, I'm going to ask them. So this is mine. This has been steeping for almost 10 minutes. And it's good to drink now. The taste is amazing. It's so good, guys. And don't forget, drink this 3-4 times in a day and you won't even have anything to worry about. Okay, so you can see, guys, my tea is ready. This is the one I put honey and I turned it. So I think honey changed the color a little bit. As you can see, it's a little bit cloudy. That's not the problem. They are both good to go. This one has honey and this one doesn't. This is mine. I'm going to give this to my children. I'm also going to make like 2 more cups because they really love it. Give this to your children. Take this and you will thank me later. Okay, I'm going to enjoy when it gets a little bit cooler. So guys, keep keeping safe out there. If you enjoyed this video, please drop your comment down below. Hit the subscribe button. Subscribe. Okay, please. Okay, please subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oh. Hot. It's tangy. It's sweet. It's sweet because of cinnamon. I think cinnamon is sweet sometimes. I don't know who else has noticed it. Cinnamon is sweet sometimes. So I think because it's sweet a little bit because of cinnamon. And then because of the tangerine. Germans call it mandarin. And this is so good. I don't have anything in here. It's hot. Make sure you drink it a little bit warm or hot like I'm doing if you can. And it's winter, so go ahead.